This is the test of the China El Cheapo digital recorder. I'll put a link up to this if it's worth a crap. Pull out my handy dandy portable tripod here, which I think can also be used as a selfie stick. Screw it on to the Sony Handycam like I did a while ago, only I forgot to touch record. Fold out the feet. And set this back over here. And this time we'll hit record. Evidently I didn't a while ago. Now right now the sound is coming out of the GoPro. The microphone built into the GoPro. What I'm going to do first is I'm going to turn on this Pyle PD, somebody out in their motorcycle, PDWM 96 remote microphone. Hook that right there. And we'll plug this into the GoPro. Should be getting sound on the GoPro and also on that camera right there. Turn this way. I've not got that high enough. There, how's that? You can see me now. Now, I think we've got enough. And this is how I was recording on my previous videos using this microphone when I was using my GoPro, which I thought sounded really good. And I had the volume set at 1. When I say 1, let me bring this over here. If I turn this all the way down, this knob, put the end of my finger right on the knob and move it all the way up 1, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and about a half. So I'm going to leave it turned all the way up because I noticed, and let me go turn my light on. While I'm at it, I'm going to take you down to the end of the barn here. We're going to do a distance test. I don't know how much of that recording I got on that GoPro, because part of the remote microphone was turned off. So this is a 60-foot barn. Hi there. Let's just go down here to this end of the 60-foot barn and see what that sounds like down there. I don't know why I would ever have a reason to have any more than 60 feet of distance on the recorder. Set you right back here. Now, I'm going to hit stop, which saves the file. I didn't do that a while ago either. I just up and turned it off. And I wonder if that's what happened to the file on this thing. Now let's plug you back in to the GoPro just to make sure that I get some recording there. And I'll bring this up here nice and close. This is the El Cheapo Chineso recorder unit. Has two external microphones. It has its own speaker, so you can listen to it. It comes with a couple honky songs on it. You can load MP3s to it, and it is 8 gigabytes. Now there's one thing about it I would not need, and that's something else I want to test. It comes with its own microphone. And I want to test the capabilities of that. Now one thing it does not have is the little foam wind protector. And now it is recording again. Let's put this right here. Right next to the other one. And we'll just record a little bit on that and see how it works. Now, it's got a convenient little I'm recording red light on it. The screen times itself out after a little while, so it's not using up battery. It's got an internal battery that charges through the USB port. And I will say, if it works out, it's a pretty nice little unit. Some of the reviews I saw said it was very reliable. So we'll just have to see. That's about enough recording on that. So we'll hit stop, which saves the file. Turn the power off. Unplug the microphone. And start stuffing stuff back in the stuff bag. This is the unit that you carry with you on this remote microphone. Got a little belt clip on it. Enough cord you can put it in your back pocket. This unit here takes a 9-volt battery. This is the unit that plugs in. Of course, it's got a big honking microphone jack on it. It is not stereo. So I have to have an adapter to take it down to the mini, I believe it's mini plug, to fit into my recorder. And now you are powered off.